Guys, I wanted to show you this kit that I received from the company. If you're looking for a gift or just want to pick something up that's nice for somebody that has a beard, I would definitely go ahead and grab this. It comes with everything that you would need to take care and just to like make the whole experience more luxurious, as well as just, you know, upkeep. Everything that you need is in here. All the products are really nicely made and high quality. I'll go through all of them for you. You have like this really nice brush for a beard that you could see it like a nice size and good bristles. The scissor for trimming. You get this straight edge razor, which comes in this leather case, which is like very nicely made and doesn't feel cheap at all, just super nice. The comb, which is all wood, has like the engraving in it. And then you get like these different types of oils, 2 different types of beard oils in different scents. One is sandalwood and one is cedar, really nicely smells. And then a shampoo as well as a wax that has a little scent to it, but nothing overpowering at all. Really nice. Definitely go ahead and pick this up. Really happy with this, and my husband's gonna love it.